Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to share something that's showing on your screen onto your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And keep in mind that you can do this multiple ways. I'm just showing you one of the ways in order to do this. So for our example, I want to go ahead and mirror. Now for our example, I want to go ahead and screen mirror my MacBook Air webpage, this one right over here, onto my Samsung Smart TV. Now the way that I did this is that first I went into the system settings button right over here, and then I went down to where it says control center. So it's this button right over here. And then under screen mirroring, I clicked on always show in menu bar. Okay, so what this does is that it actually shows screen mirroring as an icon in your menu bar up top here. So if I click on this menu bar option right over here, you'll see that I'm able to mirror or extend my MacBook Air to one of these two devices. So I have my Apple TV and then I have my Samsung Smart TV. Another thing to keep note is that you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV and your MacBook Air are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi. Now if I click on my Samsung Smart TV, which is this one right here, you'll see that it now connects to my Samsung Smart TV. Now if this is your first time doing this, there's gonna be a code that appears on the screen here. You need to make sure you type in that code on your MacBook Air as well. Now the next thing that you can do is that you can set your Samsung Smart TV to be used as a separate display or mirror display. So if you click on mirror, now you can see that web browser that I showed you earlier, this one here, is now mirrored onto my Samsung Smart TV. And with that, you can see it's the same exact web page that's being shown on my MacBook Air. But that right there, guys, is essentially how to go ahead and mirror your MacBook Air onto your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.